It's a fact na ang galing ng Pinoy talagang kinikilala sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. And this enterprising duo developed a business model that has helped thousands of Filipinos in the process. Thanks to these gentlemen over here, our Global Entrepreneurs of the Year, we give you Mr. Jonathan So, President and CEO, and Mr. Carlito Macadangdang, Vice President and CFO of JC Premier Business International Incorporated.
So I would like to thank the Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation for giving us the opportunity to share our vision together with the other recipients joining us today. May God bless us all, and may you continue your good work in recognizing people and organizations who constantly help others, especially our countrymen during these trying times. Again, maraming salamat po.
Hello and good evening to everyone. In behalf of JC, we are grateful to the Guillermo Mendoza and the 51st Box Office Entertainment Awards for this recognition as the most outstanding Global Entrepreneurs of the Year. Maraming salamat po.
The Guillermo Foundation and the 51st Box Office Entertainment Awards recognizes the collective achievements of Jonathan So and Carlito Macadangdang, prime leaders and driving force behind one of the most successful business empires in the Philippines, JC Premier Business International, hailed as this year's most outstanding global entrepreneurs of the year. You have been a strong source of inspiration among Filipinos all over the world. Your invaluable support to our country's economy, financial stability, employment, and social awareness through your advocacy have helped keep our country strong and resilient in these most trying times. Congratulations! The whole entertainment industry salutes you.